I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to hide artboards in Illustrator, and a couple of reasons why learning to hide artboards in Illustrator helps you. So the first reason I would say is that it reduces clutter, and you're focusing more on specific designs by hiding other artboards. Another reason is it really improves performance. Less visible elements can actually, I'm not really quite sure about this, but I can make Illustrator faster. And now let me show you what you have to do. So I have this artboard here. I also can click on this artboard, and now I can hold Alt and duplicate this artboard. I can create another one here holding Shift lock in. I can create another artboard. As you can see, I can now create another one and another one, Control Z to undo. But now maybe I want to hide this artboard. It's hiding it, right? It's not removing it, but it's hiding it. So what you have to do is to actually go here in view, and then here you should see hide artboards, and you can also use the shortcut Shift Control H. So actually let's practice and use the shortcut Shift Control H. Shift Control H. And now it's hidden. You have this massive place to work with. So this is huge, as you can see, space to work with in Illustrator. And of course, you can also go back in view and show artboards. So show artboards. So this can be very helpful. And also sometimes you want to hide unnecessary artboards, just showcasing and seeing some of your project, because yeah. And also another thing here that I've learned is that if you go to document setup here, you can go with dark and large maybe, but here make sure you check this button, simulate colored paper, click OK. And now if it didn't change, just click on this, and then this should reset. And now look, it's like it's like an infinitive work kind of, and it looks interesting. I've watched other tutorials on YouTube and it looked cool. You can see like the same color of the Illustrator, and you have the same one, and they're working, and it looked pretty nice, pretty cool. So that's how you do it. Also, another thing that I've learned is that maybe you want you have this artboards, and actually let's remove show artboard, and maybe you want you have a shape and it's outside of the artboard. Well, there is actually a way to remove that. So I don't want to cut this. Anyways, not gonna be in the final work. I just don't want to see this outside, as you can see, outside of the artboard. So you can actually remove this. You just have to go to view, and then you have to click on trim view. And now look at this, it's actually trimmed outside of this. So now this can help as well. I'm gonna share with you also some tips and tricks in Illustrator. I hope it's gonna save you some time. Also, it's learning how to hide artwords, and a couple of tips I hope is going to provide you with information about Illustrator that's going to help you to learn Illustrator faster. So let's jump in. Now, a very interesting tip that I learned is that you can actually move the artboard. So I have this artboard here. So I can actually grab this artboard, go here, and add this artboard here. Let's trim. So I can have another artboard here. I can move this. Again, very helpful. move the artboard from one side to the other, from one project to the other one. And maybe don't want to drag, but we can also just copy. I've selected this one because you maybe have more, so select this one, Control plus C, Control plus V. Now you have it here. Now here, what I would normally do to create a zigzag pad, I would grab this and go like this. Now just that's what I would normally do to create a zigzag or this pad, this kind of pad, which I know doesn't look good, but there's actually a way better method. And now let's delete this and let me show you a different way. So if you grab here this line, and now you hold shift and draw a simple line. Actually, let's change the color. And now what you're gonna have to, now we're gonna have to go to effects here, distort, transform, and here we have zigzag. This effect here can, when I started learning Illustrator, and I'm not, and I wouldn't consider that I know all the effects here, or I've tried all of them, I used all of them consistently, but I know that if you are aware of this Illustrator effects, this can really save you some time and help you. So make sure you explore all the effects here. Now let's click on zigzag, and now let's see what we can do here. Look, click on smooth here. Now we have a smooth pad. We can add some reach per segment. We can increase the size, decrease the size. We can increase the size, decrease the size. Make sure you check preview. And okay, and now look at this smooth pad. Looks pretty nice. We can still edit this. Now you can use this pad in so many, you can find many purpose uses of this, but one use of this I found very nice is first, now let's select this and go to edit here. Go to object and then expand appearance, and then we have to go to this circle here and then remove the stroke, add some fill, add this one, hold alt, duplicate. Now for this one, let's change to green, select both, go to this blend, and here you can also double click. Here you can add more, and now we click on the first one, second one, we get this really nice effect. Now we have to move this up a little bit, select, you can also change this kind of like this, select both, and now go to object, blend, and here select please replace spine, and now we have this nice effect. We can still edit this. So I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.